In today's video, I'm going to show you how to group and ungroup objects in drawio when you're working inside Atlassian Confluence or Jira. This is a simple but extremely powerful feature that can save you a lot of time when you're building diagrams, process flows, or architecture maps directly inside your Jira issues or Confluence pages. If you've ever struggled with moving multiple shapes together or accidentally breaking a diagram, this guide is exactly what you need. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Jira in your browser. Make sure you're logged in to the Atlassian account where you normally manage your projects. Once Jira loads, navigate to the project where you want to add or edit a drawio diagram. From the project board, click on the specific task or issue where you want the diagram to live. This will open the Issue Details view. Next, inside the issue, look for the Actions menu. This is usually represented by 3 dots or an Options button, depending on your Jira layout. Click on Actions to reveal additional options. From the menu, select Add Draw.io Diagram. This will open the Draw.io editor directly inside Jira, allowing you to create or edit diagrams without leaving the platform. Now, once the Draw.io editor loads, you can either choose an existing template or select a blank diagram, depending on what you want to create. For this tutorial, any map or diagram will work, since we're focusing on grouping and ungrouping objects. After your diagram is open, start by adding a few shapes to the canvas. You can drag and drop shapes from the left-hand panel, or use any existing objects already in the diagram. To group objects together, hold down your mouse button and select multiple shapes at the same time, or hold the Shift key and click each object you want to include in the group. Once multiple objects are selected, right-click on the selection and choose Group from the context menu. You can also use the keyboard shortcut, which is usually Ctrl+G on Windows or Command+G on Mac. After grouping, you'll notice that all selected objects now move together as a single unit. This makes it much easier to reposition sections of your diagram without breaking alignment or spacing. If you later decide you want to edit individual elements again, ungrouping is just as simple. Click on the grouped object to select it, then right-click and choose Ungroup, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+G on Windows or Command+Shift+G on Mac. Once ungrouped, each object can be moved and edited independently again. This group and ungroup workflow is incredibly useful when building complex diagrams, especially when collaborating with teammates in Confluence or Jira. It keeps your diagrams clean, organized, and easy to adjust as requirements change. And that's it. You now know how to group and ungroup objects in drawio for Atlassian Confluence and Jira. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Atlassian and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.